Okay, if you're asking if it was a necessary purchase, I don't really have an answer for you, buddy. But if you're asking if I think everybody on this planet just needs one of them, answer's a little obvious.
Back with another mom hack, dinner time edition, featuring one of our favorite meals from Encore. Weekdays are busy around my house, and that's why we love Encore frozen meals. You can pop them in the oven or the microwave, and they're ready so quickly. Best of all, they taste delicious. My little guys and my husband, we all agree that these are so yummy. So if you're tight on time and looking for a quick, easy dinner, check out.
First are these amber glass dispensers that I use for hand soap and dish soap. They come in a 2-pack and are just a little bit more clean line than random soap bottles, and then I got the labels off of Etsy. And next are these spoon rests. They also come in a 2-pack, and I just thought the colors are really cute. But what I like about these ones is they also double as a lid rest for your pots and pans, as well as a spoon rest for while you're cooking. And lastly is this 15-piece knife set. I got this for Christmas, and it's held up really well. It's really good quality, and the white is really pretty.
So I've been sent these patches that treat your spots in 6 hours, and as I had a whitehead on my upper lip, I thought I'd put them to the test. I tore off one of the patches and stuck it on top of the spot, and this creates the optimum condition for your skin to heal rapidly and safely and stops you from picking. So after 6 hours, when I pulled it off, the spot had pretty much gone. I'd definitely recommend this, guys. They're super affordable and have thousands of 5-star reviews on Amazon.
If you're tired of digging around in your purse for your sunglasses only to find them damaged, you need to get this leather magnetic folding case for your sunglasses. I love that it folds flat for easy storage, so you can just fold it away and stick it in your purse when it's not in use. It comes in a ton of colors, and it's great for your beach bag, your purse, your car, you name it. It's linked in my bio under Amazon faves and then fashion.
Random Amazon products you might need. This is my magnetic microwavable splatter guard.
Why would a splatter guard need to be magnetic?
Because when you're done, you can just store it in the microwave.
Things TikTok made me buy, part 12. I saw this and couldn't help myself. It's from Mid Modwood Craft on Etsy. It's handmade, fully customizable, female owned and made, and I knew Ducky would love it. Now let's open it. The boys are watching me while I struggle. I finally get it out of the box, and now it's time to add on the legs. They have different leg options. I chose the 4-inch gold hairpins. They come detached, so I screw them in, and now it's all ready. It also doubles as a side table, so you can decorate it with fresh flowers or whatever you want. This is what it looks like on the inside. She put a little decal with Ducky's name on it. There's also a small touch light on top to help him see at night. Here are the boys enjoying the new bed, Ducky taking it for a test drive, and he gives it a 10 out of 10, and this is Ducky approved.
I've had this old wallet for years and thought it was finally time for an upgrade. This is the Ridge wallet that looks so good. It makes it so easy to organize your cards. It's easy to pull them out when you need them, and there's a strap for cash when you need it.
I did a poll on Instagram asking if I should put my rug from Ruggable in my entryway or my kitchen. I got a couple replies saying that the entryway was the obvious answer over the kitchen because you were worried about it getting dirty. This is correct. They're both high traffic areas, but the kitchen's prone to a lot more spills. So call me crazy, but I put it in the kitchen. And call me crazier, I purposely spilled this entire cup of cold brew on my rug. But it's okay, because if you remember, I said that this rug was from Ruggable. My mom actually showed me this brand. It was one of the top items on her Christmas list last year, and they are really cool because they're machine washable and stain resistant. Obviously, this is just the runner size, but they make like area size rugs that you can put in the washing machine, which is very cool.
Amazon home gadgets you didn't know you needed. This mini and portable washing machine comes in so many different pastel colors and requires no electricity. It can wash a 5-pound load in just a minute or two. Here we washed a couple of towels in 1 minute and made sure the washer turned once per second. That's 60 spins of the machine and you're done. The entire machine is under 6 pounds and makes doing laundry in an apartment, RV, dorm, and boat so
This is our indoor smokeless grill that is perfect for any kitchen. It is only a couple of pieces, making both assembly and cleaning extremely straightforward. The grill has a built-in fan which eliminates almost all of the smoke. You can also control the temperature from 200 to 450 degrees. The griddle pan is non-stick, requiring no oil, and half of the pan is smooth, making it perfect for frying eggs. The other half has raised limes, which gives beautiful barbecue marks when grilling.
Amazon products.
3. First up is this acrylic organizer, which has all of the necessary compartments. This timer, which can be adjusted to any amount of time, really helps me get my work done. Lastly is this weekly planner. I find it really useful for planning out my week, plus it has a section for notes and a to-do list.
Cool Amazon find. This is the Kodak StepTouch Instant Camera. It takes pictures, HD videos, and you can use it to edit and print all your photos. What I love about it is that you don't need any ink and it only takes a few seconds to print. You can easily add borders, stickers, and use filters, plus you can create instant collages. The pictures all have a sticky back so you can put them anywhere like journals, scrapbooks, or even on the fridge.
Random Amazon products you might need. This is my Stop Chop cauliflower prep tool. And if you're saying to yourself, why would you need a cauliflower prep tool?
Maybe you're a carnivore or you've got too much time on your hands. Either way, this is the fastest way to get the stem out of the cauliflower and maintain the beauty and respect for those florets. You can also chop it down to perfect bite-sized pieces.
Random thing I got from Amazon. Okay, this is a literal camera meant for toddlers, but it takes the cutest photos. So tiny and cute, and this is what it looks like when you're taking a photo. It also takes video, which I did not know until recently. And then to get the photos, it comes with an SD card that you can put into your laptop and save them. Actually obsessed. I think it turned out so good, so here's some of my photos I took. Okay, but just imagine how fun this would be in the summer with your friends, and they turn out so good. It's $20, and I would recommend. Okay, bye!
You spend a ton of time with your keyboard, whether it be work or school, so why not make it cute? This honeycomb keyboard and mouse is the perfect way to dress up your workspace.
Stuff you actually need, part 108. This is my Jetson e-bike that is literally the bike of the future. It has an electric motor that lasts up to 30 miles. With the throttle and the pedal assisting, you can get up to 15 miles an hour, and it's so strong it has no problems on grass or pulling trailers. It folds up, it has a handle for easily carrying it, and my favorite part is the kickstand because it's so cute.
Amazon favorites for your car. If you eat in your car, this is a must. This little tray has a place for your phone and up to 3 pounds of food. It's the coolest.